Have you heard about BRK's latest smoke alarm technology? BRK's precision detection technology meets the latest industry standards requiring smoke alarms and combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarms to reduce nuisance alarms and detect smoke from synthetic materials. So how do these alarms fit in with the detectors you already have? Hi, I'm Alan from Resideo, and I want to show you how to install and operate a new First Alert BRK Precision Detection Hardwired alarm with your existing models. The new First Alert BRK Precision Detection units are compatible with all existing hardwired units. This means that there's no need to swap out any parts. If the orange interconnect wire is in use, the new units will sound along with the other interconnected units in case of emergency. Included in the box are the unit, a mounting bracket, a dust cover, a power connector, and the user's manual, which should be stored in a safe place for future reference. Additional materials that are not included in the box are a Phillips screwdriver, a pen, and a multimeter. Lastly, make sure you are using a ladder that's sturdy and tall enough for installation. Before getting started, I suggest writing the installation and replacement date on the back of the new unit. Now that you have everything you need, don't forget to put safety first. Make sure you go to the circuit breaker and shut off the power in the area that you're installing the new alarm. To double check that the electricity is turned off correctly, you can use a standard multimeter to measure AC voltage. Now that the power is shut off, and we verified that the green LED indicator light is off, let's remove the alarm. Simply turn the alarm counterclockwise, remove it from its mounting bracket, and pull out the power connector from the back. Next, take your Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the screws from the old mounting bracket. It's always best practice to use the mounting bracket that comes with your new detector. Take the new mounting bracket and your Phillips screwdriver, line up the mounting bracket with the screws on the junction box, and screw in the mounting bracket until it's secure. Next, take the new alarm, plug in the power connector in the back of the alarm, lift up the wires in the junction box, and secure the alarm onto the mounting bracket by turning it clockwise. If you are replacing a Kidde or FireX model, we have adapter plugs so that you don't have to wire your new BRK alarm. Now we are ready to turn the circuit breaker back on. To ensure the alarm turned on properly, you are going to see a green LED light indicator illuminate. As good practice, we should always test our alarms to make sure they are working properly. Let's try it. Remember, replacing your existing BRK alarms with new precision detection units is quick and easy. For more installation videos, please visit the website below. For additional information on First Alert BRK products, please visit Resideo Academy. Thanks for watching.